Welcome to the Spring Tutorials. In Spring Tutorials, we are going to uh, cover the Spring into three modules. So those are Spring Core module, Spring Data module, and Spring MVC module. So these are the three modules: Spring Core module, Spring Data module, Spring MVC module. Spring Core module is the base module for other modules of the Spring. In Spring Core module, we are going to learn about the containers, bean, and configuration XML file, injections, types of injections. Then we'll see the XML attributes like reference, auto wiring. Then we'll see a simple example on the whole thing. Okay, so let me write all those topics that in future that we don't need to forget that. Like first we will write all the topics, then we'll go one by one. Okay. Okay. So these are the topics that we are going to cover. Okay. So the first topic that we are going to cover is container. Okay. Let me discuss this topic first. Okay. I have taken a fresh space. Okay. So here we will discuss the topic of container. So what is a container? If you see a normal definition, if you know the normal definition of a container, English definition of a container is a storage place which will store some details or with some store some objects. Okay. 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 So in the same way, if you convert the same definition, English definition, into the Spring terminology, a container is a software application. A container is a software application that can take care of the whole life cycle of a given resource. Here, a resource can be a bean. Okay, let me explain you in this way. If I take an example of a application like Facebook, Facebook is a place where the people can talk with their friends, like they can share the ideas, they can share the posts, okay, they can perform the audio and video calls. So for a, if you consider, if you observe here, Facebook is a container, and Facebook is handling the resources. So for example, I'm the one Facebook user. Okay, I'm a resource to the Facebook. So the moment I logged into the Facebook, so I'll do some operations. Like I can call my friends, I can chat with them, I can perform any video call to talk with them, something like this. These are the operations when we get inside the Facebook we will perform. So when we are logging out, when we perform logout button, so the Facebook is going to destroy our resource. Okay, so that is the, in the same way, in the same way, in Spring also we have a container which will manage the life cycle of a bean. Okay, let's see. For example, a container, for example, we have a bean. So the object of the bean is created by the container. The object of this bean is created by this container. Okay, so here the object of the person is created by the container. After creating an object of the bean, now we can perform the multiple operations on this object. So we can utilize the object which is created by the container. We can perform the operations like add person. Then we can perform, if we want to update the person details, we can perform update person. If you want to retrieve the person details, we can perform retrieve person. If you want to delete a person, we can perform a delete operation. Okay. So after performing all operations, we are destroying. Who is destroying? We are not going to destroy the object. The container is going to destroy the object. There are separate methods are there. Destroy the like object. So we have to use those methods to destroy the object. So from initialization to destruction, who is going to handle? The container is going to handle. Okay, so this is the bean life cycle from initialization to destruction. Who is going to handle by the who is going to handle? The container is going to handle. So in Spring, we have two types of container. We'll discuss the types of container in the next session. Until then, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share the video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.